Let's make a money bowl together for the new year. I started by carrying in some coins that I had left outside yesterday. You carry them inside on New Year's Day so that you can show your door that money should be flowing in all year long. My grandma used to do that every year. So I'm going to start by cleansing my space, cleansing all my supplies. I'm going to put down some salt because it's good for cleansing and purifying, protection. And then I'm going to sprinkle some rosemary for protection and calling back my power over money and finances this year. I have a green candle that I'm going to put right in the middle. I probably should have done that first. And she does not want to stay upright for anything today. Stay up, lady. And then I saved some orange peels from the simmer pots that I had been making, and I'm just going to break up those orange peels and put them in here. Orange peels are good for joy and calling in the sunshine and happiness, so I'm using these to call in a happy relationship with money. Money and finances will always bring me joy and sunshine, and never a rainy day. Always joy. That smells so good. Now I'm going to add some lavender because lavender brings peace, and I want to have a peaceful relationship with money. I want to have a peaceful, grounded relationship with money. I want to be peaceful with what I have in order to avoid overconsumption, and I just want to be at peace when I think about my finances. I'm going to add some allspice because it potentiates the power of manifestation and it clears any money blockages. It clears blockages, period, but so that I can clear any blockages I have about money and wealth and finances and success. Now I just took some bay leaves and I wrote some intentions on them, and I'm going to add those in here as well. I'm going to add some star anise because that protects from the evil eye and any negative energy that would come against my finances or my money. I'm going to add some cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for prosperity and abundance. And I'm going to sprinkle some roses. Rose is good for love and heart energy. And I want to love my money. I want to love my finances. I want my money to love me. So we're going to add some rose. I'm going to add some eggshell because eggshells are good for good luck, breaking through obstacles, and for new growth. And I want new growth and wealth. I want new growth in my finances. I want to break through obstacles that may be blocking me. And I want good luck in my businesses. I'm going to add some crystals that bring in money. We have green aventurine. I have a tiger's eye. I have citrine. I think I should have got a bigger bowl. I have a little pyrite wand, so I'm adding some pyrite. I'm adding a clear quartz to potentiate. It boosts the energy. I'm adding some selenite in order to keep the energy of this charged. And then I'm going to add some money. I don't have a lot of cash on hand because I always use my card. But I'm gonna stick some money in here. I have a whole lot of coins though. So I'm telling this money will bring me more. Now I'm going to light this green candle because green signifies money and abundance. And you can choose whatever words you want to say when you do this, but you want to infuse this with the energy of prosperity. How would you feel if you found out that your bank account was overflowing with money today, or that you won the lottery, or that you got a huge inheritance? You would feel optimistic and hopeful and joyful and happy. You would feel certain that your needs are met, right? So you want to infuse it with all of that energy, gratitude, optimism. I'm just going to choose some affirmations to say, and we'll go from there. And then you just let this burn. And you don't have to always let it burn all the way down. You can if you like, but you can just let it burn a little bit, blow it out. I like to say, I blow out this candle, but may the light remain. And then you can relight it once in a while just to keep it active and going, right? I am a magnet for prosperity. Wealth flows to me effortlessly. I'm worthy of abundance, and money comes to me easily and readily. I am grateful for all of the financial blessings in my life, and I continue to attract wealth and abundance with ease. My income is constantly growing. I am blessed.